Hello, today we will guide you through how to send a text message from Gmail. To begin, open your web browser and go to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to use for sending the message. You'll see your inbox on the main screen, along with the standard Gmail layout. Next, look for the Compose button, usually located on the left side of the screen. Click it to open a new message window. If the Compose box appears small in the corner, you can expand it for a clearer view, but that's optional. In the TOW field, enter the destination as a phone number followed by the appropriate carrier gateway domain. This is what turns your email into a text message. For example, it typically looks like the 10-digit number at the front and the carrier's SMS or MMS gateway after the @ symbol. If you're not sure about the correct gateway, check your mobile carrier support page. Keep in mind that SMS gateways often limit messages to about 160 characters and may strip formatting. If you need to send a longer message or include an image, consider using the carrier's MMS gateway instead, which is designed for multimedia and longer text. Move to the subject line. Some carriers display the subject as the first line of the text, while others may ignore it or append it in an unexpected way. To keep things clean, use a short, relevant subject or leave it empty if you prefer the message to appear more like a standard text. Now write your message in the body. Aim for concise, plain text so it delivers cleanly. If the recipient might not recognize your email address, add your name at the end. Avoid long URLs when possible, as they may wrap strangely in SMS. If you have more to say than fits in a single message, consider sending a brief first text and following up, or switch to the MMS gateway to prevent splitting. Before sending, double-check the to address for the correct number and carrier domain, review your spelling, and confirm the message content is appropriate for text. When everything looks right, click send. Delivery can take a moment depending on network conditions. The recipient's reply, if they respond, will appear in your Gmail inbox as a regular email. Standard message and data rates may apply to them based on their mobile plan. If the message doesn't arrive, verify the carrier gateway, ensure the phone number is correct, and try the MMS gateway for longer content. That's it. Your text has been sent from Gmail.